Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I woke up this morning, took a shower. I didn't shave, but I came to work and I noticed I had a little pain on my cheek right here. So I went like this and I have a pimple. You can see it right here. You can maybe not see it as well right now because it was twice as big this morning. And I said, whoa. So I went and showed off my pimple. I don't get that many. And it's kind of a rare occurrence. It doesn't happen that often. So I kind of was happy to show it off. Check it out. See what I got. And they said, use the alum block. I said, okay, I'll try it. Why not? So I got my Shave Nation wide stick alum block under the cold water and just dabbed it on there, just like that. And let it dry. Don't even rinse it off. Just dab it on, let it dry. And it really lessened the appearance of this pimple. I swear it was twice as big this morning. And as the day goes on, it's getting less noticeable and even more less noticeable. So pretty cool. The alum block can be used on pimples and acne. I'll give you a little information. It's a very versatile item and it should be in every person's shave den. That's my opinion. An alum crystal stone is an excellent natural product that comes from the earth to treat ingrown hairs, greasy skin, and acne. After shaving, showering, or washing the face, gently apply the wet alum stone on the affected area. Let it soak in for about a minute while you tidy up your sink area, then rinse it off. This will tighten the skin, close the pores, and seal off any small nicks or micro weepers you may have. For best results on pimples and ingrown hairs, apply in the morning after showering and at night before bed, and let it soak in and dry on the affected area. Unlike a shaving styptic pencil, it will not be noticeable since the alum dries clear. The alum will dry and tighten the skin, close the pores, and lessen the appearance of ingrown hairs, pimples, or acne. And, another big plus, it can also be used as an underarm deodorant. It is unscented. The Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, ingredients, potassium, alum, and water. Available in stick, wide stick, block, and in a small or extra large travel case at shavenation.com. If you have any spots where you have pimples or acne on your face, you want to shave as you normally would, apply your shaving cream and shave your face just as you normally would, like so. And then, when you get to the pimple, you want to go around it, right next to it. When you get to it, you go gently over it. Your mantra here should be light touch. That's what you want to do. Just gently over the top, just the blade. You want to use a razor that has a single blade. 4, 5, 6 blades isn't going to help you going over your pimples. Just one. Just gently glide right over the top so you don't slice into it. Just like that. You can see I've shaved around it and over it. Didn't slice into it. You just have to use a really light touch. See it? So keep that in mind. That's how you want to shave over your pimples. Also, when shaving with acne or pimples, you may want to use cold water instead of hot. The warm water or hot water may irritate the pimples and make them more noticeable and make them pop more to the surface. So the cold water will actually calm that down. So use cold water when you're shaving over your pimples or acne. I think it will be a big plus. Then when you're done, alum block, soak it under the cold water. Glide that all around the face, like so. And especially that area. Just let it penetrate. And it lessens the appearance pretty quickly. There you go. As I said, everyone should have at least one alum block in their shave den. A wide stick, a block, whatever. You should have one. It comes in very handy. Use it after shaving. It will seal off any micro nicks or weepers you may have gotten during your shave and tighten your skin. It's very simple, quick, and easy. Just apply it, let it soak in for 30 to 45 seconds, rinse it off, and then apply your aftershave balm, splash, witch hazel, both, whatever. I'll put a link to that video up here so you can check it out. Before I head out, please smash that subscribe button down there and then click the bell up there and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, click down below the video where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter alum or safety razor in the search box and it'll pop right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Your Zen mantra at this point should be light touch, light touch. You just want to glide over the top. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.